to make this yummy and delicious Oreo cake.
Yummy. Now you get to use the Oreo cake queen.
So, we have some Oreos,
Milk,
and 1 mug.
and 2. You mean? For book class.
Alright, so first, you are going to put the Oreos in.
This?
Yeah, so put 10 Oreos. 1, 2,
We only have 2
3,
tens.
4,
We don't need to count. We have 10 already.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And close it up. Yeah.
I can't see the Oreo. Wow, the Oreos turned to crumbs.
Okay, now it's time to put the cake.
We never did this before, but now we do.
And now a little milk, just a little bit. That's enough.
That's for Oreo.
Okay, and now we continue mixing. So that's
Can I drink it?
no.
2 hours later.
Add some baking powder, about this much.
Hey, my turn.
Okay, your turn. Don't add too much.
Okay. Now my
No, way too small.
turn. That's enough?
Yeah, that's enough. And now we're gonna cut it to the microwave.
Are we
But
done?
first, we gotta mix this.
Mine too.
Ooh, it's like
I want to
saucy.
mix it.
Very saucy.
Let me see it. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
My turn. I better mix. There we go. Until you don't see it and it's very sweet. Good.
Okay, now it's time to take it to the microwave.
Take your spoon out and lick it first.
Come on. All right. First this one and then the other one.
Go. Is that enough?
Put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
Oh.
Alright, now it's time to open it up and grab it. And
My turn.
ooh, that looks yummy.
My turn.
Ow. Yep, your turn.
Okay. Can you put it in for me?
Of course.
I don't know. Because I'm littler than you. I don't know doing this. How do we do it? We do have some. No. Distance maybe from that.
And now we're going to add some whipping cream. Okay, enough.
Let me add my whipping cream.
Yeah. And I'm going to sprinkle on my Oreo bits.
Gimme.
This one's
Ow.
Oreo bits.
Okay.
Oreo bits. Small little.
How do you fix that? There you go. Stick it.
Okay. A little bit more. Yum.
How do you do this? Can you do it for me?
Yeah, sure. I'll talk.
Yeah, this thing.
it a little shake. And
My turn to add Oreos.
yep, little Oreo bits.
You mean Oreos sprinkles?
Yep.
Oh. Dirty.
I think that'll be enough. It's time to give our Oreo cake a try. Wow. Not bad. It's actually pretty tasty. Shem, would you give this a thumbs up, thumbs in the middle, or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, me too.
Delicious. Oreos sprinkles.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.